Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 4x6 beaded frame from Dollar Tree as well as this berry pick I got from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm not going to be able to paint the insert from the frame because of those little rough spots, so I do cut a piece of cardstock down to size. That way it'll have a smooth finish. I paint that with linen color chalk paint by Folkart. Sometimes when dabbing with the sponge it creates some bubbles, so after I dry that and it's still warm I use parchment paper to smooth those out. And then I'm taking this small wood slice, these I get from Amazon, and I paint one side of that with Imperial Red acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart as well. And then put the cardstock and the backing to the frame back into place. I hold the wood slice into place so I can draw the mouth and the eyes just to get my placement right. I'm just lightly using a pencil to draw that on. And then I take my Posca paint markers, and I'm just going to be using the black, and go over those marks I made with that marker. And then hot glue the wood slice into place. And next I'm taking those berry picks, and I just cut the tops of them off. These will be the antlers. I see where I want the placement, and then hot glue that into place. And for the second one, just so I get them kind of even on both sides, I just hold it and mark it with a pencil just to make sure that I'm hot gluing it in the right spot. And then to give them some extra stability, I'm taking this very small ribbon and hot gluing a piece across each of those picks. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.